Hello, my name is Tim, and welcome to my Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to crop and edit an imported image in Adobe's Photoshop. The example shown in this video was created while I was working on a larger project for a creative technologies class. The image I will use was part of a more complex design. So first thing we need to do is open up a project in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, I've already done this. The size is not overly important, but make sure you select a canvas that is large enough to support the image you are importing. I chose 3840 pixels by 2160 pixels because this was the required measurement for my class project. Once you have done this, look in the top right corner of the screen and click on File. In this menu, you will see Open. Click this button. Here you can select the image you want to import. My project was based around hockey, so I chose Mr. Hockey, Gordie Howe. Take note, this imported a new file into the program as there are now two tabs along the top of your screen. One will say CTCH project number 2, and the other says Gordie Howe. Let's focus on Gordie for the moment. Along the left-hand side of the screen is a tool called the Rectangle Marquee tool. This is what we will use to select the part of the image we want to use. Easy enough. Simply click and drag the box around the area you want and release your mouse button. This will bring up a flashy dotted line around your selection. Next, you will want to hold down the Control button and press the letter C on your keyboard. This will load your specific selection into the clipboard where you can use it later. Next, go back to the banner on the top of the screen and select your blank canvas. Once you are on this tab, hold down Control and press the letter V. Your selection will now be present. In this case, my image was small, so I grabbed the edge of my image and at the same time held down the Shift button. This will make sure my image moves at a constant ratio. Once you have made the necessary adjustments, hit Enter and apply the changes. Next, I want to take away some of the sharpness out of the edges. I started by creating a layer mask. This will let me make adjustments to the image without making adjustments to other objects on my canvas. Next, you need the brush tool. In this case, I wanted a soft look, so I made several changes to my brush settings. Now, by moving my brush across the image, I'm taking away parts of the picture, revealing the background, which in this case is just a white canvas. Doing delicate work like this in Photoshop can be easier with a pen tablet accessory, but if you don't have access to one of those, it's not a big deal. Alright, so once I've finished taking away the edges of this image, I'm all done. This technique is very useful when you are putting together a collage and need to combine photos, but that requires some knowledge in using layers and we won't get into that today. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this tutorial and can apply it to one of your creations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give the video a like and leave a comment below. Thanks.